You write a simple list in React, everything works, and then one day the UI starts behaving strangely. Inputs lose focus, items update incorrectly, animations break. Most of the time, the real problem is your keys. In React, keys are not just a warning you ignore. They control how React understands identity. And if identity is wrong, your UI behaves incorrectly. Index keys can look fine at first, but if you insert a new item at the top, all the keys shift. From React's perspective, A became X, B became A, and C became B. This is where the bug becomes real. If each item has local state, like an input, the typed value can move to the wrong item. React reused the component by position, not by identity. The fix is to use a stable unique key, like item.id. Now React can see that A is still A, B is still B, C is still C, and only X is new. The state stays exactly where it should. Random keys are wrong too. If the key changes on every render, React thinks every item is new. That throws away old state and defeats the whole purpose of keys. Index as a key is only acceptable for truly static lists. If the list can reorder, insert, remove, or change dynamically, avoid index. The bug may stay hidden until the worst possible moment. So remember the real rule. Keys should be unique, stable, and tied to identity, not position. Once this clicks, you eliminate a whole category of React bugs. Whenever you write a list, do not just ask whether you have a key. Ask whether the key is stable and whether it represents identity. That is what React actually cares about. So what React concept do you want to explore next? Drop it in the comments. And if this clicked for you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one.